Welcome to the introduction to Cure HSPB8. I cannot begin introducing Cure HSPB8 without mentioning the disease itself. HSPB8 is the reason we are here. It is an ultra-rare disorder that was first described in 2015. It's an ultra-rare disorder, and so far only 26 patients have been described worldwide. It presents itself in early adulthood and is characterized by muscle wasting, and the cause of the disease is genetic. So far, there are less than 10 scientific publications about the disease itself. And the symptoms include progressive muscle weakness and foot drop, amongst other symptoms. The current understanding of the mechanism is that through a series of events, the frameshift mutations in HSPB8 gene lead to failure of proteostasis and cell death, mostly in the skeletal muscle tissue. As you can imagine, there are several major problems that face the HSPB8 patients and community. There is not a lot of research being done on HSPB8 myopathy. We are aware of a few groups and we are in touch with the academics that are working on it, but there are not that many. It is a heavily underdiagnosed and undertested disease. Even though it can cause a myopathy phenotype, it is not included in the panels of genes that test for causes of myopathies. And therefore, the true number of patients remains unknown. There is a lack on disease progression because it is a very recently described disorder, and it is not fully recognized as a subtype of a different, better known disorder like myofibrillar myopathy or another disorder. At the moment, HSPB8 myopathy is not listed in OMIM, which is a database of human diseases. Patients are spread out across the world. There's no community, there's very little support. And of course, there's no treatment in sight. To address all these problems, Cure HSPB8 was established in April of 2024. We are the only charitable project that's devoted to challenges of HSPB8 myopathy. What are the key areas of our activities? Of course, the first and the main one is research and drug development. That includes both drug repurposing, which means using currently approved drugs and repurposing them to treat HSPB8 myopathy, as well as original drug development. We would like to ask and answer basic biological questions about the disease and collect data on the disease progression, and are working on creating reliable outcome measures that can be used in future clinical trials. The second arm of our activities is awareness and advocacy. We would like to identify the true number of patients worldwide and would like to get established and recognized as a subtype of a well-recognized condition, which will help in faster diagnostic process. And finally, we would like to build and support a strong, well-informed and engaged community of patients and families, as well as researchers and clinicians. Even though we haven't been around for very long, we have some small and large successes. We have launched the global patient registry with courts, and if you or your family member has been diagnosed, we invite you to fill out this registry now and every year. This data is invaluable, and only the patients know what it is like to live with HSPB8 myopathy. Through our collaboration with academic institutions, 1 preprint and 1 academic papers have been published, and we are expecting more. We have joined the Global Genes Alliance, which is an alliance of other patient advocacy groups focused on rare diseases. And we have started the collaboration with Everloom Bio, which is a company that is dedicated to finding treatments for ultra-rare patients. We run monthly researchers meetings that focus on HSPB8 and on different treatment modalities. If you are interested in joining, please let us know. Thank you for watching. please do get in touch.